Just walking in the rain. Because why not? God gave me free will. And as long as you don't sin, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. This is gorgeous. I love outside. I love Jesus. I love it all. I love it all. God is so good. I love the rain. Or like a light rain so I can walk through it. Nonetheless, I love it. Plus I'm gonna take a shower anyways. So who cares? Who cares? Right. Look at this little butterfly. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's raining though. It's okay. Mama's here. Mama's got you. Oh, little butterfly, you're gonna die. Oh. God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. I want to lay like right there. I think I might. Put my hood on. It'll be just fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. This is great. Oh, it's wet. Oh, the ground is so wet.